Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI Nova Y90. You need to start by opening App Gallery on both devices and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. From this screen, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. Now select Send on this HUAWEI smartphone and Receive on HUAWEI Nova Y90. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send over here. This way you will select all of your files that you wish to transfer and do that later on. It will take a long time to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one. Choose Send and tap on Got it! Now on HUAWEI Nova, choose No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon here, selecting Allow only while in use or this time, and point our camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here instead and connect those smartphones by choosing Receive button. As you can see now, in a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!